do you think, T? Should we open these up?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we got.
I'm here.
Alright. Let's see what we got. Are you having trouble with... Yeah, this is kind of hard to open. Oop, it's doing the peely thing. Ooh.
I hope.
Okay, I'll try this one.
Get this off top.
Please.
Please.
Thank you.
I'm supposed to get man.
Let's see what we ended up with. So much plastic. Man, they really seal these things on tight.
Open this and pull this corner.
Please.
Please. We've also got our wire.
JC do.
Daddy, I love you.
Alright. Want to help me open that one? Now you see what you do? You take this little tab and you pull it. What do we got?
Wheel.
That's right. So you can open that one and I'll open this one. And we'll find the little tab. And you can see the different kind of cars that we get. It goes pew! Oh, you got the bone car. That's exciting.
And I got the tester.
Let's see. I think I've opened all mine up. Now I gotta see which car I got. Oh, look. I got the bone car too. Oh boy. Well, I think that means that we need to open up the bonus car.
Woohoo! More wheels! I've got a launcher.
Yeah. Alright. That's the third car. We'll see if this one's something different.
This. That.
Let's see what we got here. You want to open this one?
Yes.
See what we got in there. So let's see. So it looks like the wheels go on first. Oh, we got something different that time. Oh, we got a truck. So see, look, you take the wheels and the wheels snap in. You gotta push them hard. There you go, you did it. Then you take the, it's got a front bumper. And the front bumper goes on. I don't know which way is the front on this thing. I think it's not the same. The big one is the front. Big side of the suspension is the front. Oh, I see. It's slotted. There you go.
Can you help put mine on
the barrels
this
go.
one?
You can do it. And then.
I can't push hard enough.
Okay, here, I can help you. Here, watch. Here, I'll hold it, and then you push. Push down. You did it! Alright, other wheel. Push down. You did it!
Now put the carving on top.
Okay. Oh, flip it around. Goes the other way. No, I mean like backwards. There you go. That way. And there you go. And it goes, boom!
on the 4U launcher again.
Okay.
I've got mine plugged in.
Okay.
Now I've got the launch.
Whoop. Boom. Boom.
Now let's build the other car.
Good idea. Alright. I think we've got wheels. And wheels. Can you put the wheels on that one?
Can you
Here.
hold on?
Here, you try put the barrels on the back of this one. And I'll work on
Oh,
this.
yeah.
Over here, Tracey.
Maybe I'll put it on. I've got it on, Daddy.
Good job.
See, it can come off. Can I work on that one?
Mm-hmm. Here.
Does it go just...
You can do it. Here,
Can you
watch.
do it for me?
Here, let's leave it flat. Now, watch. Now you can push down on it. There you go. Now we gotta put the, I think that part goes on the front.
Is this the front?
Yep. Good job. Now we put the other one on the back.
Oh, there's something that needs to go there.
Yep. No, you got it. Just like that.
Why is this on the back?
I think those are exhaust pipes. And then we put the big blaster on top. Let's see, we got the Cyborg X. That's the name of that one. And then this one is called Phantom Fear. Because it looks like bones. What do you think?
Where's my lawn thing?
I don't know. Where did yours go? But you got it.
I think this one is the one.
Oh, what? Hey, get back here with my rocket launcher.
Now,
How about this one? Here you go. Boom! Is that silly? Do you like it?
yeah.
Okay. We're going to record the video of it going round and round,
Why?
so then we can show people what it looks like. Pew, pew, pew!
Pew pew.
Do you want to tell people what you thought of the cars?
I thought that was the best car ever.
Best car ever. Did you have fun building them?
Yeah.
Would you build them again?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe we'll have to get some more and do another video, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Stay fresh cheese bags.